Okay, here's a quick run through of how to use one of my tumbler mockups within Photop. It's a free editing software available from www.photop.com. First thing to do is get rid of this black layer, space saving layer. So you open layers if it's not already open. This icon here, and hit the icon there to disable it, or you can throw it in the trash. The next thing to do is to double click the smart object. So double click that. So it opens in a separate window the design layer. So what you need to do then is File, Open and Place, and drag on your design or drop on your design. By default it squeezes it to fit the width. So just scale it as required. When you're happy, hit the tick. What you must remember to do here is File, Save Smart Object. Once that's saved, now close this design. And there you go. Now I think I've got it set to multiply that layer at the moment, just to bring some of the shading of the tumbler below. But if it messes with your colours, change it back to normal. You might prefer normal anyway. Then there's just a couple of straw options. There's plastic straw by default. You can switch on to the metal one. There you go. That's all there is to it.